Ever wondered what it would be like to open a hibachi grill at home? Well, we're going to show you how to do just that. Welcome to the Una Casa channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make hibachi at home using our amazing cast iron hibachi grill. Get ready to impress your friends and family with a delicious and fun experience. So, what is special about a hibachi grill? Hibachi grills are known for their ability to heat up quickly, provide an even cooking surface, and give your food that authentic smoky flavor. Plus, the Una Casa hibachi grill is super portable and perfect for entertaining. In choosing what fuel to use for a hibachi, there's one clear winner, and that is Binkotan charcoal, which will help give you the most authentic hibachi experience. But if that's not readily available, you can also use regular charcoal, hardwood lump charcoal as well, if need be. So I'll let you see what this charcoal looks like. You can break this up in pieces if you'd like, but this is kind of give you an example of what it looks like. It's long, kind of rectangular, and it has a hole going through the middle of it. So when lighting a hibachi grill, what's really important to understand is that you don't put your charcoal right into your hibachi and then light it. You actually need a chimney, and you put your charcoal in the chimney, and then you put that in a spot where you can light that. So you get the charcoal nice and hot and ready to go in your chimney, and then we'll bring that back and we'll show you that, and then we'll add it to our hibachi grill. But let's talk a little bit about safety. Safety is very important when using a hibachi grill. Always use heat-resistant gloves when handling the grill because it's going to be really hot. Make sure it's placed on a stable and non-combustible surface. And what's great is the Una Casa cast iron hibachi grill comes with 4 legs for added stability. I always recommend keeping a fire extinguisher nearby just in case, and never ever leave your grill unattended while it's in use. We're almost ready to put our hibachi grill to the test. So to start, I'm going to show you, here's the chimney. We've added our charcoal, it's got nice and hot. Now we're going to add this to our hibachi grill. I'm going to let it heat up in here for a little bit before we get started. So we're just about ready to get started. We're gonna let this sit for a little bit, let it get nice and hot inside the grill. And then we're gonna bring out our ribeye and we're gonna start cooking it. One of the things I really love about this hibachi grill is the ability to flip the grill. So it comes with this handy hook. Kind of get a hold of it like so, right? And you literally just flip it over that easily if you wanna have your food a little bit closer to the fire. Right, so we're going to start it that way and see how we can sear it to start. Okay, we've got our ribeye. Let's put it on. Wow, you can hear the sizzle instantly. Now we're putting our Una Casa cast iron hibachi grill to the test. We're going to show you how to make delicious hibachi steak. This is what a delicious hibachi grill ribeye steak looks like. Can't wait to dig in. Look at that nice charred grilled look to it. You'll notice that as we start moving on, the distribution of the heat is extremely even, and I want you to understand that this is basically allowing you to create hibachi steak and an experience at home. But what's great, you can cook all types of things. So what else could you cook? The Una Casa cast iron hibachi grill is perfect for cooking all sorts of dishes like shrimp, vegetables, mushrooms, as well as yakitori, kebabs, or even grilled pineapple for dessert. Your possibilities are endless, and I guarantee your guests will love the variety you put together for them. So once you're done, let's talk about how to maintain and clean your hibachi grill. It's really important to understand how to clean and maintain your hibachi grill properly. After each use, let your Una Casa cast iron hibachi grill cool down completely. Then brush off any remaining food particles that remain. After that's done, wash it with warm soapy water and let it dry thoroughly. But to prevent any rust, what I like to do is apply a thin layer of vegetable oil to the grill surface, and actually you can add it to the entire surface to help reduce rust. While we're waiting, let's talk about all of the things your Una Casa cast iron hibachi grill comes with. It comes with this hook that allows you, as I was saying, to flip your grill. You could actually poke the coals from a distance if you need to with this as well. It comes with handy, you'll see, carry handles, but you obviously don't want to touch those when they're too hot. As I said earlier, the grill, you can flip it from one side to the other, which is great. It comes with a great outdoor case so you could keep it from rusting, which is great. Our hibachi grill's worth it. Our cast iron products are some of the best on the market. If you decide to get the Una Casa cast iron hibachi grill, you will be getting one of the sturdiest, well-designed hibachi grills out there. While it is a little bit on the expensive side, it will surely give you a return on your investment for many years of wonderful grilling that you will achieve using this. As well, you will not need to go out of your way to get a cover or a grill hook, as they're included in the package as I showed. Here's the cover and here's the hook. There you have it, folks. With Una Casa's cast iron hibachi grill, you can bring the excitement and delicious flavors of a hibachi restaurant right to your own backyard. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Una Casa. Are you ready to start hosting your own hibachi nights at home? Click the link in the description below to get your very own Una Casa cast iron hibachi grill and start making unforgettable memories with all of your loved ones.